CCTV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel dan hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang kathong kejongpi. Ke admission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ka Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union hakalai terik ujeliu arja penriu kala Dawa yak Sorkar ban Shimti ban Pynïaid hino ya ke EMRI-108 hadian belasyu IT mentala Snem ban Pynïaid da National Health Mission. Presiden ke Union uba Roypar Karoswai hakaji keren bagilat patai hubur ulai tu banadu bak Sorkar kelapan kutno ya kontrak baka company GVK katanat kakot kakya kala IT syaka National Health Mission ban Pynïaid tang nakabenta lai benai. Handai kumbakalong menta ke NHM kala Pynïaid ya ka EMRI-108 menta la Snem kenti kata nadu usnam arajar afuar. Ulai tu kumbakalong menta ki Nongtrei ki yo bet tek tang ya katulop Henry ome ki pat ki jing mentoy beki dei banyo.
The Charter of Demands by the Union, there are many sections that the government must improve further. But if company take over the service, it will lead to privatization. Kita kalau kasih terima, kata kalau kami agenda kami demand kami sepakat privatization. Kadang katu kami kisini kami kadang kata ketika internal problems kisini office nalupa ke Sorkar IT ke NHM pakai NHM bukan ke IT ibu bat armut ibril banapun EHS ban Pynïaid ya ke dia service bat kalau untuk harga service ini dia kajing laksui kemudian laksui Pynïaid ibril kita dan experience ini ke service bat kita belum bagaimana kebombe yang bukan medical background. Nah, sedang Pynïaid dengan sebut sudah we company bah nitip dia di Snem berada nama kajing Pynïaid kalau bet mendiam sebagai company negara yang juga ke union di Nongtrei nilai sedang nilai dan kajing ki bah lima kajing nyarap dan Sorkar ni kulai Sorkar lima kajing nyarap dan Sorkar lawan Sorkar telah terminate oleh ketika company nadu usnem arjar afuar di mulung Sorkar Pynïaid company nadu usnem arjar afuar nama Pak kiban Pynïaid yang menjadi service yang pasti ini ke government negara kalau ada Pynïaid temporary no akan ke NHM National Health Mission kesulitan Pynïaid temporary tang ai benai Merindu arjar afuar minta arjar afunri dalam sausnya sekarang kaum Pynïaid berhaknya temporary tang lai benai beraya sausnya minta mission sini sibun kata berkom nama apa Pynïaid temporary ke NHM tekum ki jimentoy mau ki facilities dan kita ki benefits ini nimdon. Jadi dalam kita ki points ki bangsa iya kita tu kan ni ki benefits pendidikan yo dan iklan yo imton kalau menurut kecil mentoy pengen yo dalam banyak isu yo tambah tolong ke alor kata lalu pada gue nongiwan ban penslo mat juga Sorkar dalam baju film dia juga kaji ya kami kedua kami kuat ya lalu bersedang ni menginform ini adalah asal terang nidon di mana kami bah Sorkar kali Shimti ban Pynïaid dan di ban regularize no ini di Nongtrei ini nama kumpul mentang di long hasui untuk Pynïaid ini untuk kini benefits ketika kalau kaji apa ini di Nongtrei de katakan nomor itu diwan ban personal Sorkar bagi kuat Sorkar regularize no yang ketika service ke sini dia kata ketika kami agenda ke bapak Sorkar kan regularize no ya ini Nongtrei ini nama mereka kalau mbak kita ki point semua ki bagi kuat baju mensuntip kumba kiwi ki Nongtrei Sorkar ki yo miu kita ki cimentoi di kadang-kadang let's say bahwa pon ka Sorkar ba goro sini ni apa yo kita ki cimentoi mo ki cimentoi ki ba katu kan ki points mo kan batai kum ka salary kiri ni ka time scale of pay dengan pulih ni kumba ni lain atau no salary shall be paid to the employees in the time scale of pay as being given to government employees as per the government pay commission. Dan tadi ki allowance, all allowances being paid to all government employees shall also be paid to the employees of Unsur A, like DA, HRA, special allowance, etc. Besides this, allowance shall also be paid as the employees as they work under high risk of their lives. Nanti medical entitlement, survival benefits, lain disability benefits, health insurance, accidental insurance, life insurance, medical reimbursement. Kita nimio benefits juga. Tangka health insurance nimio, isu tangka tiga tulok ngomong nanti leave rules. The government leave rules shall be made applicable to the employees as being given to all other government employees as recommended by each government pay commission, including leave and encashment when employees still have leave accrued. Paid holiday shall be entitled to the employees. Mungkin kita leave rule ini nanti kita tuh di poin semua promotion avenues, prospect shall be created for all employees. Kemudian tanya bukan promotion lah dalam kini perusahaan disudah untuk nambah. Misalnya ini balik experience di ban promotion, no? Promotion kum jadi advance paramedic, emergency medical technician, pilots, emergency response officers, as trainers and as supervisors drive or as team leaders. Promotion. Nanti job security and transfer. Job security, existing employees should be reinstated directly by the government and TT that takes over this service. Nanti transfer should be done district-wise or geographical area and knowledge of language and on request of staff for a genuine reason. Kan kita transfer kemudian akan lek in district-wise. Kemudian nak area kampung, ia ketuka geographical knowledge no kampung ia ketuka Jakarta kemudian district-wise. Lalu idon ketuka dia Laladon kan request di New York genuine reason. Nantas special safer working conditions for pregnant women workers be made to sit in office to do any official work before the time of delivery. Kita nak pergi contagion ini kiba hak kapor pregnancy. Kemudian kita dengan special safer working conditions for pregnant women to work in office. We request the government of Meghalaya to provide safe and hygienic accommodation for workers working in different areas in Meghalaya. Safer accommodation, kumulong tama ni makna Sorkar kahwin bahagi air tu ki kuadra ki bagian mereka tu kan dia ki kuadra ini bungdong let's say undan kita ki kuadra kan di bungdong dah lain bungdong kapung entah pembiang kita kita tu entah there shall be adequate number of leave reserved or backup staff for every district so that emergency service will not fail at any time. Kung palong tanya duna ke manpower, mau imdal di reserve staff. Kaya mentala, doon pa Shimti ka ambulance ka down mo. Kung ka manpower duna pa, tadi benefits ke retirement, superannuation, EPF, and gratuity. Kung kita di umar ni, yo tak tulok mindan, tak PF mindan, tangka health insurance mindan pun tak terterno. Tinggi kami di mana bejuni gelombang, Sorkar kan take over mengenai service, kenapa bagi Nongtrei, kin kam lama Nongtrei hamba antara Nongtrei kin belum mentah di dalam penjuru shortage di ambulans, mau ada nipet, ki pada sehidon ki siusi phone ambulans kimio, nomor boleh ki duna bagi ambulans. Jadi kung nipet mentah, ada nipet kan ke Sorkar juni kan cibun ki bahar no, kasi kali ki agency ki ambulans tu kila devan penik ambon ni, mau dia nangka itu ki benefits ini memang syukur kita orang ni mereka kan dikasih kiro ke bangla so nila sonda jauh hal minister ru ini dikasih nasa ni kiro ketika sih prayer for liberalization of voluntary emergency service in the state of Meghalaya. Respected Sir Madam Pulio, with reference to the subject cited above, we the workers of voluntary emergency service in the state under the umbrella of Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union would like to place our request to the government to kindly consider our service for regularization and also register our highly protest of re-tendering this essential service to the company. This service is currently running for 18 years, started since 2008, and it has been considered as the topmost essential service that address the needs of the people in times of emergency. It's high time for the government to improve the service rather than planning for retendering to the private company after the bad performance by the GK company, and that was tended to run the service was compelled the staff and the citizens to register protests in the past, and it had affected the emergency response to the people, especially those who met with an accident. Therefore, for the interest of the people and also the staffs working in these people, we are kindly urge the state government to put an end of retendering this essential service and take into consideration the liberalization service of the staff. We have our following points to make a stand for our demand. Retendering the service to the company will bring a huge loss, and none of them will take this service without profit. We have experience of really bad performance during the times of GBK.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Snem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Snem's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is Snem's, our ride, our future.